So this is my first bike, Z250A Kawasaki. And now we got the 2002 ST1100. So what we're going to do, what we're planning to do is customise it, do a custom build. My lower back's buggered, so I need to lighten this bike and get rid of all the fairings and crap off it. So this is an intro video just to share with you what we're starting with, this beast. I've already started stripping it down. You'll see in these images my progress. I haven't done any video footage yet of the breakdown. I've just been photographing it just as I go, so I know where things are supposed to go from standard. I basically have a few ideas what I want. It's realistically just going to be a Street Fighter build, and I want to show that utilitarian look of the V4 shaft drive, all that sort of stuff. Still got to work out the seat yet, the fuel tank, all the other bits and pieces. So join me as I build this custom ST1100. I hope you enjoy what I do, and we'll go from there. Thank you.